there is that Ivanka Trump. She's flanked by her husband Jared. A lot of selfies being taken because right behind are these little school children, and you can see a little Krishna as well. So, you know, I think the scene behind is being projected from Mathura and of, you know, Lord Krishna's Nagari there. But this is all what it looks like, and you know what you started off, Geeta. Maybe I'll bring in Rajiv Dogra, former diplomat as well.
But any guesses on the color of the Melania's dress?
Mr. Dogra, you've also now latched on to Melania's dress. That is quite amazing. So we have Rajiv Dogra, who's a former diplomat, mind you, and he's also quite inquisitive on what the First Lady would be wearing. No, sir, we don't know, but we are...
Diplomats are also human beings.
No, diplomats take overall picture.
So we have a minute to go. So yes, Mr. Dogra, what do you think? Will she
Light
change?
pink.
She?
No,
Light
she's
pink.
not. She's
No,
not.
she hasn't changed. She's looking, she's
won't
wearing exactly that.
You should have asked. You should have asked me. I would have predicted that she would not change.
She would have
There's
not
no
changed.
time, and
No.
they moved. They changed aircraft.
Right.
So they're in a smaller aircraft which does not have her
Have the
stuff.
But it looks light pink to me in the sunlight.
Rajiv has a valid point
or
because this is
rose-tinted
you know,
glasses.
everyone is in pink and dressed in pink, spring colors. So maybe you know.
Seeing her through rose-tinted glasses. So the
seeing it
white
through
is
rose-tinted glasses, you know, I have to say, I think, Geeta, you and I collectively might have, and of course you more, would have interacted with forward diplomats, you know, people who have the expertise. For the first time, we are having conversations such as this. We've never quite had it, which I guess is what the moment is all about. There you have it. That's Melania Trump. She hasn't changed, viewers, so those who are disappointed, but she still looks rather lovely. Even Ivanka there in that dress. So that's POTUS, that's FLOTUS, and that is Ivanka Trump with her husband Jared. Well, an exchange there as well between Donald Trump, the President of America, and his daughter Ivanka Trump. A similar cultural festival. Geeta, of course, we have Yogi Adityanath there.
But that's protocol.
This
As
is
governor,
protocol.
the chief minister. Then we have the president. He received the president, and now he'll walk with the president to the cavalcade. After which he'll bid them goodbye. And the president, the first lady, Ivanka Trump, and Jared Kushner, family, but also senior advisors in the White House, are going to go to the Taj Mahal. What we're being told is that President Trump and the first lady will first go in and have their photo
badges,
opportunity, and then Ivanka Trump, and as was the case even in Sabarmati Ashram, they went ahead and then were followed by Ivanka Trump.
Okay, I want to, I want to go back. I believe Milan is with us from Kedia Airport. That is where they've landed. And you know what's interesting is because the Prime Minister was there earlier, Prime Minister Modi was at Ahmedabad, so possibly the Trumps didn't quite get to, you know, interact with the performers there or actually get in a whiff of what's going on. They seem to be getting that here. You know, they're actually going about meeting, you know, the kids who are performing, taking a look of what's, you know, been put together in terms of this cultural event. I want to tell our viewers what you're seeing is, so what they've done is, the entire cities of Uttar Pradesh, the culture that Uttar Pradesh is all been encapsulated and put on display at the Kedia airport right there. So you can see, you know, a little bit of Lord Krishna, you can see Donald Trump clapping. You know, Rajiv Dogra, how important is all of this? You know, there's a lot of focus which is also this time around being given on the, you know, the show of it all, the show and dance of it all.
You know, when you go out on foreign trips, whether you are the Prime Minister or President of the country or a minister or senior diplomat or official, you are away from the worries of office.
Right.
And you are in a different mood altogether. So if you are given serious, grumpy kind of situations, you go back taking that image to your country. But if you are given that relaxed kind of atmosphere, things change. Let me give you two examples. One, when Clinton was here, there was still that nuclear explosion at the back of his mind.
Right.
Throughout the Delhi part of the trip, he was a little standoffish. He was not opening up as Clinton normally would, till he went to Rajasthan. And there, at a dairy farm, the women made him a member of their dairy, gave him a card, swipe card.
Right.
And then he danced with them.
Broke the diplomatic ice.
That broke the tedium of the visit.